Hi everyone, I'm Christina, Chief Creative Officer at Squirrly. And today we are going to take a look at how to add images to posts. So let's go inside Squirrly Social. Right now we are inside the media library in Squirrly Social. In order to add an image from over here to a new post, all that you have to do is click on that particular image and then click over here using post. So now we can see the add new post panel over here. We can select where to send this post to. We can see our image uploaded over here. We can add our caption. We can choose if we want to send in our schedule and then save the post. So it's that simple. In order to add an image to a post, you simply have to click on that particular image and click over here using post. If you don't want to do this from the media library, let's go to calendar. Let's click over here to create a new post. And by clicking over here to add an image to the post, the media library will open like so. And by clicking on an image, you can once again click over here using post. And we can see the image over here. Until next time.